Well, hello again. So I've got another crazy confession story of an Uber Lyft driver, episode number 21. Just did a crazy one yesterday. Oh boy. So this one is worthy of South Park humor. It is raunchy, there's cuss words. If that kind of thing makes your ears bleed, you've had your warning to click off now. And I love South Park. This is actually quite defiling and unattractive, but really entertaining. So, without further ado, here we go. Oh, some further ado, tomberkenmeyer.com. You can find all of my other stories there. I journal the more interesting rides, and this one certainly qualifies as one of the more interesting rides. Okay, so I pick up a nice young lady. She's in the back seat, and somewhere along the ride, she decides to call up one of her friends. She's on the phone, and I'm not trying to eavesdrop, but, you know, it's a car. Inside of a little car, you can't help it. But I hear things like all kinds of gems. Things like, hey, guess who got herpes? No, not me. I fucked him with a condom. No, it's Cash got herpes. She fucked him, but... and Deshaun got herpes too. Going off all these lines about who has herpes and who doesn't, and I personally fucked him with a condom, and wow. And then something about the jacuzzi and smoking cigarettes. You know that 5-pack of cigarettes? All we did was smoke cigarettes. We went through 4 packs in one day out of the 5-pack. Oh no, we was in the jacuzzi, and all kinds of stuff with that kind of enunciation and vernacular. And I can't even remember all of the precious little gems that she had, but Here's a takeaway, other than the humor in it all. It's also very sad, you know, the spread of STDs. It is extremely sad. But at the same time, holy shit, that was funny. STDs, almost every single case outside of instances of rape is just a matter of really bad decisions and bad judgment, man. Holy cow. Another takeaway, practice safe sex. Always use a condom. And also, let there be love. That was just so defiling and demeaning sounding. Oh my God, I can't imagine, you know, having sex with somebody under those circumstances where it's just so defiling and demeaning and that kind of decorum. No, let there be love on both sides, whether you're with a friend, whether you're with a lover, a spousal love, friendship love. Let there be love, man, because that was so defiling sounding. And that's it. That's the story. That's episode number 21. And tomberkenmeyer.com if you want to see the rest. Also, drop some comments below about... I kept a straight face, but would you have been able to keep a straight face? Would you have started to crack up laughing? And obviously that could have made an awkward car ride. I actually kept a straight face, but on the inside, I was dying laughing. It was great. And would you have said anything? I don't think there'd be any reason to. Maybe some of you out there are ultra conservative and you don't allow that kind of language in your car. And if so, how would you tell them to clean their mouth out while they're in your car? Or would you have just done nothing like I did and just been a good driver? It's really none of my business. That's the ultimate reason I didn't say anything. It's like, why would I? That would be really weird. But, yeah, I'd like to hear your thoughts on that. Drop your comments below. And... yeah, one last note. Every dollar I make from this goes towards my affordable housing project. Every dollar my affordable housing project makes goes back into the affordable housing project. And so I don't have a job, and this isn't my income, so how do I pay bills and live and travel and spend my time how I want and live free? All that's on tomberkenmeyer.com too, how I do it. So that's all for now. Mwah! Make out kisses.